Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into an incredible piece of technology you won't want to miss. If you're tired of printers that drain your wallet, test your patience, and just can't keep up with your workflow, then stick around. Because today, we're taking a deep dive into the Epson WorkForce Pro WF-C5710 network multifunction color printer. And let me tell you, this sleek silver powerhouse is here to change the game for your small business or home office. First things first, let's talk about something that hits everyone's bottom line: cost. The Epson WF-C5710 features an innovative replaceable ink pack system, and this isn't just a fancy name. It's a game changer. Unlike traditional cartridges, these high-capacity ink packs minimize interventions, meaning you spend less time fussing with replacements and more time getting work done. But the real kicker? This system offers up to a staggering 45% lower total printing costs compared to color lasers. Think about that for a second. Nearly half the cost over the lifetime of the printer. That's not just saving money. That's a significant investment back into your business. No more wincing every time you hit print on a color document. This printer truly empowers you to print what you need, when you need it, without breaking the bank. But what about speed? Because in today's fast-paced world, time is money, right? The WF-C5710 absolutely excels here. Get ready for blazing fast print speeds of up to 24 ISO pages per minute, in both black and color. And here's a critical detail. There's virtually no warm-up time. That means when you send a document to print, it's not going to sit there humming and thinking before it springs into action. It just goes. Imagine needing a last-minute report or presentation. You hit print, and it's in your hands, ready to go, almost instantly. This level of efficiency keeps your workflow incredibly smooth, eliminating those frustrating bottlenecks and ensuring you and your team are always moving forward. Now, for anyone who deals with stacks of documents, whether it's invoices, contracts, or presentations, you know the pain of manual two-sided scanning or copying. That's where the Epson WF-C5710 truly shines as a multifunction device. It comes equipped with a 50-page duplex automatic document feeder, or ADF. What does that mean for you? It means you can load up to 50 pages, walk away, and the printer will automatically scan, copy, print, or even fax both sides of every single page. No more standing there flipping pages one by one. This feature alone is a massive time saver, boosting your productivity significantly and ensuring your professional documents are perfectly formatted and ready in a fraction of the time. Beyond its raw power, this printer is also incredibly versatile and secure. With flexible connectivity options, you can seamlessly integrate it into your network, whether you prefer a wireless setup for ultimate flexibility or a robust Ethernet connection for maximum stability. And in an era where data security is paramount, the WF-C5710 offers advanced security features, including administrative controls. This means you can manage access, monitor status, and ensure your sensitive business information stays protected, giving you invaluable peace of mind. So what does all this mean for you? The Epson WorkForce Pro WF-C5710 isn't just another printer. It's a productivity powerhouse, a cost-saving champion, and a reliable partner designed to meet the demanding needs of modern businesses. It's about working smarter, not harder, and reclaiming your valuable time and resources. If you're ready to upgrade your print experience and truly invest in the efficiency and future of your operations, this is the printer you've been waiting for. Ready to transform your office and start saving big? Hit that like button, subscribe for more tech reviews,